Hey, hi. Today we're going to talk about the different kinds of slope that you can have. So, our target is, I can classify the slope of a line as positive, negative, zero, or undefined. And we're going to do that with graph lines and with tables as well. Okay, so look at this graph. Okay, so, if we were together, I would ask you, what do you notice? But we're not. So I kind of picked some things for you to maybe notice. So what are the coordinates for point A? Well, point A is -4, 3. So let me get my pen here. -4, 3. And what are the coordinates for point B? Well, that's at 3, 3. Now then I would say to you, what do you notice? I notice that the y coordinates are the same. I also notice that this is a horizontal line. Interesting. So let's find the change in y. So I'm going to make myself a little table here, just in case this is the way you want to go about it. So my change in y is, 0. It stayed the same. The other way I could have done that is use the formula, find the change in y by subtracting the y's, 3 minus 3, and I get 0. Okay, then I have to come over here and find the change in x, it says, and from -4 to +3 is plus, and this is how I always do this. -4 to 0 is 4, and 0 to 3 is 3 more, so that's a total of 7. So plus 7. I don't have to always remember all those integer rules. I just think about my number line, quite honestly. Okay, so it's 7, and if I wanted to use the formula, I would have to subtract the x's in the same order. So -4 minus 3. That's going to give me -7. I'll do it the other way. 3 minus -4, and that equals 7. Okay, either way, when I write this ratio, I'm going to get 0 over 7, or if I subtracted the x's in the other way, I'm going to get 0 over -7. Okay, so if I simplify this, this does, in fact, equal 0. So we say this line has 0 slope. Okay, now, some people will say things like there's no slope to this line, and I go back and forth between what no slope really means. So we don't use that. We say 0 slope because it does have a slope. The slope just happens to be 0 because it's flat. So in a real life situation, this is like those situations where you're going for a bike ride and then you stop for lunch and then it kind of flatlines for a little bit and then it picks up again in the usually positive direction, unless you now turned around and came home and now we're going in the negative direction. Okay, so that's 0 slope, horizontal line 0, and if you make a z, a z has 2 horizontal lines, here and here, and then I always add this one, just because that's what I do. Alright, so let's look at this called 0 slope. Okay, so those are two very different things, okay? Example, what do you notice about this? This is a vertical line. This isn't even a function because it's a vertical line, but I can still find the slope of this non-function. All right, so the coordinates for A here are 2, 3, and the coordinates for B here are 2, -1. So what do you notice? I notice that the x's are the same. So let me find my change in y, and I'm going to make a table. Change in y to go from 3 to -1, that's minus, let's see, 3 to 0 is 3, and then 1 more to -1, that means -4. And then 2 to 2, well, there is no change in x, it's just 0. So the change in y is -4. If you want to do the formula, then you just subtract your y's. 3 minus -1, that gives me +4. If I did it the other way, it would give me -4, and it's not really going to matter because when I do my change in x, I'm going to get 0. I'm going to do 2 minus 2 equals 0. And when I write this ratio, change in y over change in x, I'm going to get -4 over 0, which is weird, which is absolutely not equal to 0. Do not tell me this is 0. Okay, this is not a thing. This is all those math jokes. It's all fun and games until you divide by 0. This is called undefined. undefined because you cannot divide by 0. Just ask Siri. She'll tell you a really sad story about Cookie Monster and you having no friends. It just doesn't make sense. A fraction is a part out of the whole. If my whole total is 0, how could I have any part of that? It makes no sense. So we call it undefined. Again, this is what I would say has no slope, like the slope doesn't exist because it's undefined, but that gets a little, it's a little gray area depending on where you ask. So just so we have no confusion, this is called undefined. All right, and then that's not to mention, like, we have graphs, which we did that yesterday. If we have a graph that does this, all right, there's my x and y, it's beautiful. This would be positive slope, right, because it's going up. And I know you talked about this last year, but just to review, I didn't really mention too much about it. And then this would be negative slope. Okay, so the next video you're going to watch, you may have seen last year. If you were with me, I know you saw it last year. But I think it's super fun, helps you remember positive, negative, 0, and undefined, which you may or may not have talked about last year. So watch that, then you're going to do a little sort and a reflection. Okay, all right, that's it. Bye-bye.